Why you laugh? That's
We have
true.
YouTube channel, The Monkeys. Mr. and Mrs. Monkey.
That's true, actually.
I'm not Mrs. Oh. I'm not the Mrs. I'm the auntie.
Why you laugh?
I'm the auntie.
No, she's my auntie only, seriously.
Mrs.
Hello out there world, good morning, I'm Damian from The Monkeys. Dzień dobry wszystkim. Today I arrived to Singapore, Chinatown. In my opinion, the most interesting and most beautiful part of Singapore for sure, especially for the historical aspects, for the architecture and overall vibe in Chinatown in Singapore. And I'm of course with my aunt Carl and auntie here, and they are looking for some chopsticks. And this is actually very interesting. This is like a Chinese style, and you have like a symbols, right? What is it actually? And each chopsticks represent the year what you born and what the animal, what's the year is that. And it's funny because my YouTube channel is The Monkeys, and I born in 1992, and actually the symbol is monkey. So I think I should buy one. Because you see, like I said, I born in 1992.
That's right.
And this is actually monkey. So
We
cool.
need a monkey too.
Which one is monkey actually?
I got monkey for you.
This is the monkey chopstick?
Yeah.
Here we go.
That is so cool. You were born a monkey.
And always meant to be a monkey.
Meant to be a monkey.
All right. Something like that actually. That's
Mr.
interesting.
Monkey, see?
Why you laugh? That's true. Either way, check this out, the architecture of Chinatown. It's still like a 10:30 at morning, so it's not so busy. However, I'm always impressed about how they preserve the old style of the Chinatown here. It's just so cool. In Chinatown, you can find so many merchandises from Singapore with the very affordable prices, and also a lot of variety. A lot of interesting stuff actually you can find here in Chinatown. Check this out, of this stuff. Or this one actually also pretty cool. Don't want to touch it because I can break it. However, yeah, many interesting stuff. Also in the corner over here you can find this durians over here. I can already feel the smell of the durians. Let me know in the comment section if you like durians. By the way, these durians in Singapore, they are one of the best ones, together with the durians from Malaysia and Thailand. And of course, check this out of the level of details. I don't know actually what is this street. Long time ago it's supposed to be like a street food, but I think it's afternoon. However, there are some cozy restaurants and bars anyways, next to the durian of course. There are also so many cool bars in Chinatown. Well, they are open at morning already, guys, so happy days. A lot of interesting things going on, that's for sure. This is what I really like to watch, how's the elderly people in Chinatown playing this game. I never know what the name of the game is, but I really like to watch them how they are playing. That's so cool. And this is nice as they enjoying their time together. And also very interesting story is as those people who are playing together, they know each other since the very young age, since they were kids, and they are still together enjoying their time after so many years. I personally don't have a contact with anyone who were in this when I was the small kid, to be honest, but they still enjoying the time together. That's so beautiful, isn't it? This is also Chinatown complex, where is like a huge market with so many stuff inside. And then just on the other side of the China complex is the biggest Buddhist temple in Chinatown in Singapore. Then we have so much interesting, nice goodies here where you can enjoy your food. So many nice interesting stuff over here, like this one for instance. Actually the Maxwell is on the other side of the street over there in these buildings. But you can find everything here, even the paint shops and like DIY shops, many things in Chinatown. And this is not like only tourist attraction, but normal shops for normal citizens, which makes this place more authentic and local friendly like. That's why it's so beautiful to be here. There is the construction of the MRT Maxwell, the brown line. It's gonna be finished very soon, I think next year. So it will be easier for everyone to come to Chinatown and to the Maxwell food court, which is over there. And also enjoy the beautiful architecture of Singaporeans' Chinatown. By the way, there is some mural in Chinatown, and I would like to notice how clean is Chinatown in Singapore. That's unbelievable. We are on the way to the one of the oldest part of Chinatown, which is just behind this street over here. It's just so cool to walk through the, you know, like a small paths in the architecture of the Chinatown. It's just so cool, guys. You can even accidentally find some Michelin restaurants here, like a Reef, Michelin 2022. Chinatown is also a very interesting place because you can find some Indian temples over here, like this one, for instance. And this is the legendary, the Clarke Street, guys, like the name of the hotel over here. One of the oldest parts of Chinatown itself. So the full street is packed with the small cozy bars and the cafes everywhere around. Because it's morning, everything is still closed and sleepy, but at night, this is one of the biggest nightlife scene in Singapore, overlooking the beautiful scenery of the beautiful architecture of Chinatown in Singapore. Check this out. It is so cool. Also something here. There are local painters painting the building over here. Check this out. Because this one is actually Potato Head, what we have in Bali, but this is one of the oldest buildings here and the most unique one, I'm gonna tell you. Maybe actually it's not the one of the oldest one, but definitely one of the most iconic one, the characteristic one, because it looks so cool. And well, this street is generally very cool, very worth to visit if you're in Chinatown, guys. Also, the story of this place, of this street, is very interesting because before the Singapore, what we see now, Singapore was pretty poor place. You can read it, especially in 1965 when Singapore became independent from Malaysia. This area was struggling a lot, and that was actually the red light district in Singapore. Many people don't know it, but that's true. You can Google about that if you're interested about a little bit of the history of Singapore. All right, Auntie, what do you think about the Singapore on your third day? What do you think? You like it, not like it? Would you come back?
Yes. Oh, I nearly swore then.
So
there is so much to see and so much to do, and you can do it cheaper. You don't have to spend a lot of money.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And many people saying on the comment section as Singapore is boring and like few hours and that's it.
Not boring. Definitely not boring. Very vibrant.
You have at least like for a full month to stay here.
Yeah, we'll definitely have to come back.
Definitely come back. So you're enjoying, huh?
Yeah.
For everyone who are looking for the very nice food, this is the Maxwell Food Center, very highly recommended. There will be another metro station in the near future, I think at the end of this year or beginning of next year, so next to the food court, and they specialize with the Hainanese chicken rice, if I'm not mistaken. Look at this very nice restaurant, actually, the Chinese style. They're just opening up. When we are going, first way was closed, but now it's opening up, and definitely more and more people coming into Chinatown. And I nearly skipped this part, but I couldn't miss this one. This is the beautiful mural on the very small alley in Singapore. Whenever I'm coming here with Winnie or by myself, I'm always coming to visit this place. I know it's just the mural, but in my opinion, it's very worth to having a look when you are here. You can just put the mural Chinatown on the Google map and you're gonna find this out. It's just so cool and such a big level of details.